Hello everyone. Today we are going to find the value of x in the given equation, that is under root x plus under root x minus 9 is equals to 9. First we are going to square both sides. By squaring both sides we will get under root x plus under root x minus 9 whole square is equals to 9 square. On this left hand side we are going to apply the formula, that is a plus b whole square. It is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here under root x is a, under root x minus 9 is b. So by putting the values in the formula we will get under root x square plus 2 into under root x into under root x minus 9 plus under root x minus 9 whole square is equals to 9 square is 81. From here this under root n square will cancel out as well as here. So we are left with x plus 2 into under root x into x minus 9 plus x minus 9 is equals to 81. From here we will get x plus 2 under root x square minus 9x plus x minus 9 is equals to 81. Now we have x here and here, so both of this will be 2x plus 2 under root x square minus 9x, and this minus 9 will go to that side and we will get 81 plus 9, that is 90. Now we will take this 2 and this 2 common from both of this and we will get 2 common x plus under root x square minus 9x is equals to 90. Now we are going to divide both sides with 2 and this 2 will cancel out. By dividing 90 by 2 we will get 45. So this side will become x plus under root x square minus 9x is equals to 45. Let's take this x to that side on the right hand side and we are left with under root x square minus 9x on the left hand side and 45 minus x on the right hand side. So to remove this under root we are going to square both sides and we will get under root x square minus 9x whole square is equals to 45 minus x whole square. So this under root and square will cancel out And here on this right hand side we are going to apply the formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will get x square minus 9x is equals to, this is a, this is b, 45 square minus 2 into 45 into x plus x square. So this will be x square minus 9x is equals to 45 square minus 2 into 45x plus x square. If we take this x to the left hand side, we will get x square minus x square minus 9x is equals to 45 square minus 2 into 45 is 90x. So if we subtract these x square, we will get 0, or we can say these x square will cancel out. We are left with minus 9x is equals to 45 square minus 90x. Take this minus 90x to left hand side and we will get minus 9x plus 90x is equals to 45 into 45. This will be 81x is equals to 45 multiplied by 45. We can write 81 as 9 multiplied by 9x. It is equals to 45 into 45. So x will be, take both of these to the right hand side and we will get 45 into 45 upon 9 into 9. 9 5s are 45. Same here. So we are left with x is equals to 5 into 5. So x is equals to 25. So the value of x in the given equation is 25. Hope you get it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.